Some time ago I built this home assistant globe, which is looks for impulses from main electric meter, and these go with ESP to home assistant, where you can see the how much electric you use current and how much it's today. But there is problem. As you can see, there is these kind of spikes, 400 kilowatts, 500 kilowatts. These are not right, these are errors. And I look some forums, and in here there is more people have this same problem. They try to use code which bypass those extreme values, but I don't wanna use that any code, because the spikes, this circuit is making those spikes. So I need to make it histories in that system. And there is one guy who comments, where is it there, and he fix that issue with adding 33 kilo ohms resistor and 10 nanofarads capacitor between 5 and 7 pins of that comparator. Here is the datasheet, and all the packages used same pinout. So this one is what used in that, and as you can see, there is 5 and 7 are there, and I have that microscope there. So I need to put between those components, resistor and capacitor, and I have those here. They are so tiny, but I need to use that microscope to put them there. This is not 33, this is 30, but I think it's almost, so it's fine. Okay, so it goes there, and this capacitor go parallel with that resistor. It sticks to these scissors, or what I don't know, tweeters. These are a little bit magnetic. But yeah, I need to solder these there. I make some pause here. So the resistor and capacitor is now soldered. It's not pretty, but it's gonna work. So next thing, I'm just install this, replace that what I have there now, and then we see does it help for these spikes. As you can see, there is now lots of spikes here. These kind of crazy spikes. So those should go away with this modification. I have been testing this for a few days more, and as you can see, there is once per day that 400 kilowatts spike. Hello. So few days are passed, and as you can see, there is no 400 kilowatts spikes anymore. So what I have done, I have to filter those by software. So I have to install add-on, ESPHome add-on. Then I have to open WebGUI, and then I have to adapt this Home Assistant Glow. And this one comes here by itself when you restart it. Then you have to install it from here, and after that you can edit that YAML file, and this is what you have to put there, this. And this one makes filter that everything, if there is spikes which are 100 milliseconds or less between, this filter excludes those. So and you can install this from here. It makes new firmware to device by wireless if you want. But after that, there is no spikes anymore. But I still think that hardware modification is also good. It gets rid of almost everything, every spikes. But if you still have those, then you can do that software filter, or you can just try that software filter first before you make that hardware modification. But that's all for this time. Thanks for watching.